have some of the most incredible survival hacks on this planet. You won't believe what they can do to stay alive. Nature's most brilliant creatures have evolved survival tactics so clever, they almost seem like magic. Take the Australian thorny devil. Its spiky skin isn't just for defense. It actually collects dew, funneling it along grooves right to its mouth so it can hydrate in the desert heat. Then there's the mimic octopus, a shape-shifting master that can imitate over 15 different marine animals, confusing predators by changing its form and movements on a dime. Next, the cuttlefish, the ultimate camo artist, shifts not just its color, but also the texture of its skin in seconds, disappearing into rocks or coral. Fearless and tough, the African honey badger uses its loose, thick skin to twist and slip free when predators bite, making it nearly impossible to catch. Meanwhile, the Arctic fox is a seasonal chameleon, swapping pure white winter fur for a brownish summer coat to blend perfectly with its surroundings year-round. The bombardier beetle takes defense to the extreme by shooting a boiling, smelly chemical spray from its abdomen with amazing precision, deterring nearly any attacker. Sea cucumbers, slow but smart, protect themselves by firing out sticky, entangling threads to trap and confuse predators, buying time to escape. Ever heard of the pistol shrimp? It snaps its claws so fast, it creates a tiny but powerful sonic bubble that stuns prey instantly. Mudskippers are equally surprising. These fish can breathe air and walk on land, giving them a chance to avoid underwater dangers. Last but not least, the harmless viceroy butterfly tricks predators by looking just like the poisonous monarch butterfly, stealing its protection through perfect mimicry. Each of these survival tricks shows how animals use unexpected genius to outsmart threats and thrive. Nature's creativity truly knows no bounds. Which animal survival trick blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments, and follow for more wild discoveries.